Let's see. Okay, hello, prosperous souls. How are you? How are you? I hope you are having an awesome day today. I have to say that my day just got even more awesome just now. I am literally sharing the screen with Shakeima Clark Chatman. If you do not know the name, I suggest you get to know the name. Shakeima is such an amazing influencer. I mean, she has truly been an influence to me, an influence to so many other women who are in business and entrepreneurs for themselves. So she is a productivity coach, and I'm telling you, she brings it. And the only reason that she can coach others on how to be productive in their businesses is because she is extremely productive in her business. She is one of the top producing agents or broker associates, right? Here in the market, and she just does some amazing things. So I'm excited to have her teach one of these classes in Prosper Week. If you have not yet registered for Prosper Week, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? You have 24 hours for the discounted rate. So go ahead and get registered. Shakeima teaches day 3 of Prosper Week, and she is talking about systems and technology. Listen, you gotta have it. Systems and technology. Shakeima, please go ahead and introduce yourself to these prosperous souls.
Hi. So I'm going to call you coach, because for those of you that don't know, Lavonda is and has been my coach really since the beginning of me jumping into business 2011. Can you believe that?
Great.
Totally different how my business looks now. Well, I'm Shakeima Clark Chatman, as Lavonda said. I am a broker associate and the owner of the Chatman Group with Carolina Elite Real Estate. And I'm also the author of a book, Possess the Land, The Believer's Guide to Home Buying, and also a speaker and a coach, a productivity coach. And I'm glad you used the word productivity, because so many times I correct people when they say, you are so busy. I am not busy. I am productive.
Yes.
It's a huge difference. So I'm super excited to teach on systems and technology, because it really is critical in keeping your business together. What I find oftentimes, people focus on the marketing side and attracting the clients, but if you don't have the systems in place to nurture and convert and even retain those clients long term, it's like fishing with a hole in your net.
Wow.
So you can attract, but if you don't have the right systems in place, you literally lose prospects, clients, and also long-term clients. And unfortunately, I had to learn that the hard way in my business. Oftentimes people celebrate their closings on social media, and there was nothing more heart-wrenching to see someone who initially reached out to me for my services. We may have even connected, and maybe they weren't ready that particular day.
Wow.
And so before I implemented systems, I would lose track of them, and then I would see them online celebrating with another agent, and I'm like, I had a hole in my bucket. I lost that particular client. And so I really literally shut things down and really sat down and revamped my systems and made sure that I had the tools and the technology to support my business. Because one thing, when we start in business, we may focus on our services, we may focus on our product, but it's so important to have the back end in place in order to ensure success long term.
Yes, this is so important. And this was where I lacked in my business early on as well, because I didn't know what I didn't know. And so, of course, I was bringing in all the readers and bringing in all of those who wanted to be a part of Bible studies and all of this, but I did not know how to nurture them on the back end. And Mr. Jim Rohn says there's fortune in the follow-up, right?
Yes.
There's fortune in the follow-up. And so you cannot access that fortune if you are not following up, and you cannot follow up if you do not have a system to do so. So I cannot wait for you to teach this class, y'all. This is just a sneak peek of the class that Shakeima is teaching during Prosper Week. And I love that we included this in the week because you can do the branding, you can do all of the marketing, you can do all of the prospecting, but if you don't have the systems in place to nurture those that you're bringing into your business and follow up with them, then you're missing so much money on the back end. And Prosper Week is about prospering. Yes. So we are going to help you to get your systems in order. Shakeima is going to teach you how to do that. Again, day 3 of Prosper Week. So go ahead and get registered so that you can learn how to do this effectively and how to use technology to help you. Stop doing everything by hand and automate some stuff.
Yes.
So
Yes. And I want to add to that. I
oh,
don't
yes, go
want
ahead.
people who may be afraid of technology to shy away from this class. Because believe it or not, your system doesn't even start on a computer. And I'll show you how to start without ever touching your computer.
Wow, I love it. I can't wait. I'm going to be taking copious notes as well. So show up for Prosper Week, day 3. She's going to help you to get your back end in order and teach you how to automate without touching your computer. I cannot wait to hear that. So I will see you all for Prosper Week. Go ahead and get registered. It's www.prosperweek.com. Y'all have a fantastic day today. God bless you guys. Bye.